Zabbix Network Monitoring Review, 2025. My honest experience. Monitoring networks sounds boring until something breaks. Zabbix is often recommended, but is it really worth your time in 2025? Here's my honest take. Zabbix is a powerful open-source monitoring platform used for servers, networks, applications, and cloud environments. It offers real-time alerts, dashboards, and detailed metrics. One major strength is flexibility. Zabbix can monitor almost anything from routers to databases. You won't believe how deep the customization goes once it's configured. Performance is strong, even at scale. Many enterprises rely on Zabbix for thousands of devices without licensing costs. Now the reality check. Most people get this wrong by expecting easy setup. Zabbix has a steep learning curve. Installation and configuration require technical knowledge and time. The interface has improved, but it's still not as beginner-friendly as some commercial tools. Documentation helps, but patience is required. The surprising truth is that Zabbix rewards effort. Once set up, it's incredibly stable and reliable. If you want full control without subscription fees and don't mind the learning curve, Zabbix is a top choice in 2025. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews from real experience.